Welcome back to Firefighter Caparato's house. I have my first guest here. This is Justin, and he's a professional mixologist, but better yet, my neighbor and friend. He's going to do the Perfect Martini.
Exactly. Hey guys, I am not a professional, but I do like to drink, and I like to make good drinks, so I'm going to show you guys how to make the Perfect Martini. Perfect in quotations, just like any drink, it's up to taste, but typically when you use the word perfect in a martini, with gin, it means equal parts sweet vermouth and dry vermouth. So we're going to make a couple of them right now, see how they taste, and go from there.
And stay tuned, because you're going to love this beautiful drink.
Okay, so to get started, we got some Bombay Sapphire gin, good stuff. We have a little bit of dry vermouth, and we have a little bit of a lot of sweet vermouth.
More than you can handle.
I put ice in the shaker already, and we'll take it from there. We also got some beautiful lemons from my Meyer lemon tree in my backyard. They smell amazing. They're almost sweet.
Fragrant like my friends.
Yeah. If you want any, you're welcome to come over on Patricia Way and get some of these.
That's right. That's right.
They literally grow year round.
Forget my address.
Yeah, we are. Normally we'd have pour spouts. We don't have these today, so we're just going to use this is 1 ounce right here.
Firehouse style.
Yep. So we're going to use for one martini would be 2 ounces of the Sapphire gin, ½ ounce of the sweet vermouth, and ½ ounce of the dry vermouth. We're going to make 2 because Marcel and I both want a cocktail tonight. So obviously I need to pour 4 of these in to get 4 ounces.
So watch this magic. This guy is awesome. He says he's not a professional, but really he is. He has skill, style, and he's good looking too. So we're going to see this drink come up, and it's going to be freaking amazing.
All right, so that's our 4 ounces of gin. Beautiful. Then, what did I say? A ½ ounce of sweet vermouth and a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. Since we're making 2, double it up and do 1 ounce of sweet and 1 ounce of dry. Okay. We are going to shake this, but not too much. Just to give it a little love.
Because that's what we do best.
Just a couple shakes, nothing crazy. Marcel has some beautiful martini glasses for it at his house. Very festive here.
You can pick them up in Mexico where I picked them up.
Yeah. Like I said, I have the Meyer lemon from my house. I'll just go once around the edge on each.
And he says he's not a professional. Look at this.
Pour a little bit in this guy.
Wow.
A little bit in this guy.
Let's show how this looks. Everybody check this out.
Alright, we're about equal on each. These are big glasses. If you want, you can fancy it up. Kind of twirl these little limes here. Toss it in there. Make it look fancy. Either way, just to get a little bit of that flavor of the lemon in there. And then you cheers your friend.
Hey, cheers.
Easy, delicious.
Easy peasy, wonderful. Like the commercial.
So smooth.
It's like a kiss.
Okay. Right, that's a perfect martini.
Perfect martini. Thank you, Justin. We're going to jump right in. And I'm going to drink this as I make my next one. We're going to do the perfect old fashioned. So the old fashioned is pretty simple. I throw it together, boom, 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 and we're going to do that. It's 72 ounces, right? Oh, let me take that back. 72 calories per ounce. 72 ounces would be, you'd be on the floor. So let me go right here. So I got the bullet bourbon right here, right? And then we got, I go bada bing cherries, because bada bing is the way to go, right? You're Italian? Bada bing. Nope. Anyway, you get the point. So bada bing. So what I do is I throw this together, I light up. This is supposed to be an orange. Let's say this is an orange, okay? So I burn an orange, this right here. So we're going to drink this martini also because I like martinis. So this orange, I light it up on fire. There you go. Part of it right there. Is that going to light? No, because there's so much moisture in there. Plus my finger's catching on fire. Okay, so that's just gonna kind of give it some flavor, right? Just a little burn right there. Let me get my mason jar. I'm gonna throw it right in there. So mason jar. I already have ice right here. I'm only gonna get a little bit of ice in this next one. Okay, so throw this guy in there just like that. I'm gonna get my bada juice right here. Now they say for the sweetener, right? You want to put a little sugar. I think sweetness is the key to life, right? That's why I live near this guy, and that's why I have a beautiful life. That's why I have 2 little kids, because it keeps getting messy, and we keep having more. But you can't have a neighbor like this. This guy is key. So I get a little bit of this. This is like the sweetener right here. So just a little bit. This is a teaspoon. Teaspoon of love. I put it right inside of here like this. Let's just go and make it a little more sweet, okay? Because let's get 2 teaspoons. I throw it in there like this. Now, instead of sugar or simple syrup, I put this in there, right? Now, I have a couple bitters. You want to make sure you use bitters as well. So my partner here we go. So we have the aromatic bitters. You want to throw in 2 little, quick, boom. Little dabs of bitters, okay? This is the aromatic bitters. You could buy them at Bevmo, something like that. And then the orange. So the orange, like I burned, the orange bitters right here. There it is, boom. And I just go, same thing, 2. 1, 2. Now you want to do 2 ounces of your bullet bourbon. 2 ounces. Now right here, I'm going to show you what 2 ounces are. It's just you go like this, you pour it in, you go 1, 2. That's pretty much 2 ounces. 1, that's an ounce. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. This right here, 2 ounces. Now, I think I need more than that, but let's just go like this. Okay, 1, 2. That's 2 ounces right there. So there's your bourbon, right? Now they say you don't want to shake it too much because you don't want to over mix it. So I just want to get like a little knife or something like that. I might get a little spoon. I'm just going to go right beside my friend here. And then, perfect. That'll work. And look at this.
That's why I'm here.
So, see, Justin knows his stuff. He keeps telling us he doesn't, but dude, he was a bartender. He knows. So I just mix it up like this. Okay, we're gonna cheers our drinks. I got the martini. I got my old fashioned.
Does it make me one?
Hey, shoot!
Make me one?
Oh my God!
It's okay.
Wait, hold on a second. Like I said, I have 2, right? I have the equal parts ice. So we're gonna go backwards here. Let's go backwards. Bourbon in 2 ounces. 1, 2, right? So we're gonna start all over again. Watch this. So remember, how many do you put in here? 2. This is the aromatic bitters. 1, 2. A little bit on my finger. Kind of stains the floor. Ugh. That's all right. No worries. I'm not gonna go crazy with this. Yeah. Hey, thank you, man. See, Justin, it's not just a good neighbor, but dude, he really thinks a lot further than I do. I leave a big mess. Okay, here. This is the orange bitters right here. Yes. So 1, 2, just like that, right? So remember I told you I burned that orange. So the orange is right here, orange peel. I'm going to go the same thing. You burn a little bit. Just a little bit. Just don't burn your finger, okay? Then you're going to need my fire safety tips. Fire safety number 1. Like that. Look. Do you want to put your finger above that? Ooh, bad idea. Okay, let me go a little bit more. Burn out. Get that aromatic flavors. Aromatic flavors is everything, right? Now, how many calories are in bourbon? 72 per ounce. How many ounces do I have in here? 2. Now, the other question is, this guy, how many grams of sugar is in here? Well, do you really want to know? It's, let's say 5. So 5 grams of sugar per teaspoon. 1, 2. Okay, so same thing. So I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I'm going to mix it up just like this. I think I have everything in there.
These are only 10 calories.
10 calories? Oh, I forgot about that. So think about this. We got 72 calories. We got this guy here, which is, you're right, 10 calories, 72 calories, that's 92 calories. And then we have calories of 10 calories here. So that's 12 calories. This drink is not that bad. So let's think about that. So here's my friend's drink. Here's my drink. Okay. Let's taste this. Let's see how this is. Maybe that was my drink. I don't know. But hey,
delicious, easy to drink.
Pretty good. Okay. So thanks for joining. This is my neighbor Justin, who is an amazing guy, previous bartender. Oh man, I messed up, but anyway. And Dad, everything, awesome guy. So
Good drinking with you guys.
me too. Now I don't recommend drinking gin and this together. So thanks everybody. Join you next time. Join me next time. Join us next time. If you want to be a future guest, drop your name down below, and you could be a guest at my house too, or your house.